students of 10th standard. We have started the lesson, that is lesson number 7. Today we are going to start the lesson number 7, that is nothing but introduction to microbiology. See the portion which is not there for the exam, page number 77. In that, can you recall is not there. Then again, can you recall is not there. Then in dairy products, the second paragraph is not there. Then see page number 78, let's think is not there. Then do you know is not there. Then 79, no corrections. Then see 80 page number, production of beverages not there. Then can you tell is not there. Then see 81 page number, use your brain power not there. Search is not there. Then see page number 82, that is can you recall is not there. Then see next one, page number 83, let us think is not there. Observe is not there. Then see next one, page number 84, collect information is not there. Can you tell is not there. Then page number 85, internet is my friend is not there. Okay, this is the part that is not there for your exam. So today we are going to start the new lesson, that is nothing but a introduction to microbiology. Introduction to microbiology, in this we have to study the applied microbiology, industrial microbiology and the products. So there are, you can say, useful and harmful, you can say microbes are there. The useful microbes are useful to us and harmful microbes are harmful to us. See, there are, you can say, various products, various milk products are there which are produced with the help of the, you can say, microbes. So these we are going to study in this lecture. See first one, applied microbiology. Whenever you see that branch of a biology which studies of the enzymes related to the some prokaryotes and eukaryotes, microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology is performed, is called as a applied microbiology. So what does the applied microbiology consist of? It consists of prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, this all is considered in the applied microbiology. This study is used for the society and various products like food or you can say medicines are produced on a large scale with the help of these microorganisms. Then next comes the industrial microbiology. So this is nothing but a science that is related to the commercial use of the microbes, in which various economic, social and environment related processes and you can say products are included. Then see, various microbial processes which are useful for this process are carried out. Next comes the industrial microbiology. So what are the main features of the industrial microbiology? See here, various productions with the help of the fermentation process. Example, you can say bread, cheese, wine, raw materials for chemicals, enzymes, nutrients, medicines. So these all are included in the, you can say, industrial microbiology. Use of microbes for the garbage management and pollution control. This is also considered under the, you can say, industrial microbiology. These are the main features of the microbiology. Then see their products or dairy product. Now in ancient time we have seen that milk is converted into various products for the preservative purposes. Then for example you can say cheese, butter, cream, kefir, then yogurt. So water content and acidity of the milk changes during formation of these products, and texture, taste and flavor is improved. Whenever the milk is converted into the, you can say cheese, butter, cream, kefir or yogurt, the taste of these products is changed and you can keep these products for a longer time. See the next page. Yogurt products. Yogurt is nothing but one of the milk product. So, which is produced with the help of the lactobacillia. So, here the lactobacillia is taken as an inoculant, that means virgin. Then see, for maintaining the protein content, condensed milk powder is mixed and milk to be fermented. So, what happens? To maintain the protein content, what is done? The condensed milk powder is mixed with the milk to be fermented for the industrial production of the, you can say, yogurt. This is used in the industries. Milk is boiled and at once it is cooled. What is done? See here, milk is boiled and at once it is cooled to warm the temperature. Then see, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to this in the proportion of 1:1, and lactic acid is formed due to the Streptococcus. So what happens here, as these strains are added to the milk, then the lactic acid is formed due to the, you can say, Streptococcus, that makes the protein to a gel out and that gives a dense consistency to the, you can say, yogurt. Then acetaldehyde like compounds are, you can say, formed due to the lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, various fruit juices are also mixed with the yogurt to get a various, you can say, flavors. For example, strawberry yogurt is there. Then again, banana yogurt is there. Then shelf life of yogurt and the probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization method. Then see next one. Third is butter. Two types of butters are there. You can say sweet cream and culture. These are produced on the, you can say, very large scale. Microbes are used to production of the, you can say, cultured variety. Then see cheese production. Cheese is a product which is sold on the, you can say, large scale, or it is abundantly available from the cow milk all over the world. First, chemical and microbiological test of the milk are performed. What is done first? The chemical, or you can say the microbiological tests are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus creamimoris and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with the milk. These bacteria are mixed with the milk. It imparts the soreness to the milk. So what does it do? The milk attains the soreness. So see, after this, to impart the dense texture, water in the yogurt needs to be removed. What is done? The water from the yogurt is removed. That is called as a whey. Then see, an enzyme rennet obtained from the alimentary canal of the cattle was being traditionally used earlier. See, there was, you can say, one of the enzyme which was present in the alimentary canal of the cattle. This was added traditionally before. Then see, however, an enzyme protease is obtained from the fungi and is used as a present to produce vegetarian cheese. So we can produce the vegetarian cheese by adding the, you can say, enzyme protease, which is obtained from the fungi. Then see, the whey is separated from the yogurt. Whenever you see the cheese is prepared, the whey is separated from the, you can say, yogurt, which has some other uses. Then see, then the process of production of cheese is started now. So how it is started? See, it is taken in the following steps. So what it is done? See there, cutting the solid yogurt into pieces. You have to cut the solid yogurt into the pieces. Then you have to wash it. You have to rub it. Salting you have to do. And mix the initial, you can say, microbes or pigments and flavors. So this cheese is pressed, or you can say, and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. So this is the preparation of the, you can say, cheese production. Next comes the probiotics. Probiotics, these are also milk products which contain the active bacteria. They are nothing but Lactobacillus acidophilus, then Lactobacillus casea, then Bifidobacterium bifidum. These microbes maintain the balance of the, you can say, intestinal organisms, microorganisms. That is, it increases the population of the microbes, helping the digestion and decrease the population of the harmful microbes. Here what is done? The production of the harmful microbes is decreased. Then see, example, Clostridium. The, you can say, harmful microbes like Clostridium, they are decreased. Then see, probiotic products are available for the various forms, like you can prepare yogurt, kefir, then again sauerkraut, that is nothing but a pickle of a cabbage. Dark chocolate you can prepare, miso soup you can prepare, pickles, oils, corn soup you can prepare, artificial sweeteners you can prepare. Then microalgae, seafood like Serpulina, then cholera, blue-green algae. These all things you can destroy them. Why the probiotics have developed much importance in the recent days? The products from the colonies of useful microbes in alimentary canal and control the, you can say, other microbes and their metabolic activities. Improve resistance. They improve the resistance and lower the ill effects of the, you can say, harmful substances which are formed during the, you can say, metabolic activities. Useful microbes become inactive due to the antibiotics, or probiotics make them active agent. Nowadays probiotics are used for the treatment of, you can say, diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. In the earlier classes you have prepared the, you can say, dry yeast. Now such substance is prepared by its use for the, you can say, commercial basis also.